my new GAN cube. So it's my first time seeing GAN cubes. I'm so excited. So I'm going to open this. What? I have two stands in my collection. I have orange. I have yellow one and orange one. I have both of those. This GAN. Wow. It comes with the card. So let's keep this over and let's open the GAN. I don't know how to open it. I think it's a such big puzzle. It's such a big puzzle. Oh no, it is. Oh no.
Just peel this.
What is this cube name? Is it the... Yes, got it. Is this the GAN 11 and 12? And this one is... We need instructions for solving the cube. No, we don't need. What is inside? Wow, the GAN cube is inside. It's a very cute cube. I'm so excited. Wow, it's cool to see the magnet. Yeah, the magnet. It's so good. So I'm going to scan this and I'm going to try it. Please try it on the cubelily.com. This cube doesn't have any magnets, but it still has this terminal. I see the magnet, but the magnets are in the centers. See what happened. So I think the corner cutting is the knife. This cube is so slippery. I couldn't hold it in my hand. Can I do the cross? My mom told me to buy it for my birthday, but I still got this. My mom ordered this for me, but this is not a magnetic cube. Mom told me it's a magnetic cube. Wow, that's so fast, I think. I think I can do the pattern. What? I can even do a cube in a cube. Okay, can we do